Hello everybody, Zeff here with ZeffsTrading. Hope you guys are doing well today, October 2nd, 2024. This will be our chart lesson for today of the ES futures on the 2000 tick chart. Pretty much trading range day. In the morning session we had a move up with a spike and basically just upward drifting trend channel here. Had a sell off, came back down to kind of where we broke out roughly at 57.50, and then we just chopped sideways with two legs up back to 57.60. So overall, pretty low ATR day. There's a few trades in here, quite a few second entry longs actually, in this really nice green upward trending spiked channel. But nonetheless, let's get into it here. So in the pre-market session here, as we can see, quite a congestion mess. A couple minutes before market opens, we do start to see the sell-off with a first entry, second entry long, and it fails down. Not quite the best setup you want to get into here, but as you're watching it, you have this nice move down with multiple red bars closing on their lows. You have a pullback, as we can see, and then we have a first entry, pulls back, second entry short. Unfortunately, not a good signal bar, not back at the EMA, but then you kind of get this third entry short, and you also get from the new high, first entry, pullback, second entry long into a failure. So if you're patient and you're watching price action, you can see the really good signal bar here, rejection off the EMA, and you can go short with that at least to this swing low, but I would aim, I would aim a little bit lower and probably go for that previous day's low. As the market makes its way down, as we can see, all the way to 57.26 area, we pause, have a really nice simple 2B pattern with a good signal bar rejection actually, and then the spike and channel starts to form, so multiple green bars closing on their highs. Market has a break, goes sideways for a second. As you can see, clearly just rejection at the top here. 1, 2, 3. Tries to sell off. Buyers right here at that previous big bullish outside bar. And then from our most recent high, first entry, pullback, second entry long. Right at the swing bottom, key entry points, just wherever we want to see them. Market then makes an extended move up, sells off, again, first entry. Here we go, pullback, first entry, pullback, second entry long into a first entry, second entry short failure. So double high probability setup there. Definitely take those trades. Another leg up, as we can see here. Kind of saw it like this initially. And then sell off. Then we established the trend channel here, as we can see, and then you get another first entry, second entry long right there. This one's 4 bars matching on the side here. You got to be a little careful with it, but such a good bullish signal bar, clear rejection off and trapping the short traders here, especially right here. Runs all the way back up above the EMA. You can see price was holding, and then it kind of just sells off and then holds again. As it makes its second leg up, as we can see, another first entry, pullback, second entry long, and if you were to put your stop anywhere else, you would have got stopped out, so that's why you got to put underneath the signal bar. As you can see, you would have been panicking with you thinking it's a first entry, second entry long into a failure, but never got triggered. Double matching bottoms there, and then this becomes a winner. So you just got to be careful with these. That's why you got to put your stop where it needs to go. And the only time you would have actually trailed it was underneath this particular bar when it closed anyways. Moving along here, we can see that we kind of had this extended run up and kind of gets outside of the channel here. But then you have a sell-off, pullback, new leg to the low here. Find support, again, just kind of riding the top, the bottom of this upward trend channel as it does. Little while longer after you have this move up and this downward move already played out, you have a move up, break, new high right here, first entry, second entry long, and I see this as a higher low as well. I think that's a quick scalp there. This one's a little sideways, as we can see, and it's not the best signal bar, so actually I'm going to mark this aggressive. If it was a better signal bar, and not so sideways, I think that would be valid. But this overall isn't that bad. And when you see this big outside bar trap, the short traders to the reverse side on the upside, then you most likely are going to get your scalp. And again, this thing just kind of takes off, sells off, and then we have tests of once, twice, 3 and 4 times, kind of how I saw it here, in kind of this like rising ascending triangle pattern. It fails though, as we can see. It tries to hold, sells off, tries one more time, and then boom, the sell-off continues. And unfortunately, there's really no way to get in here. You do have a final flag before the last move of to the downside here, with your move down, break, new low. Again, nice little 2B pattern right here with not the best signal bar, unfortunately, but as you're watching this, market makes its way higher. You do have a first entry, second entry long. This one's pretty tempting to take, especially with the move down and the downward bearish movement already being played out. So this one's actually pretty good to take as well. First entry, second entry long, nice higher low. Dropping those short traders, especially when you get up to here, and you can see it just rockets higher with this really nice big bullish green bar. And then for the remaining of the day, there's a few in here, but you can see it just kind of goes sideways. This one's pretty tempting. I kind of saw this as a this is actually a first entry, second entry long, and I kind of see this as a triple test. Maybe if you take that, I mean, you're way away from the EMA, so maybe you take that one. But then I see this one, first entry, second entry short, failure. Good outside bar. That's definitely a nice failure right there, and you have plenty of room to the highs. And then just the remaining of the day isn't really anything special. No real trades in here at all. There's a first entry, second entry long. This one works out, but you can see how congested everything is, and it is at the EMA. It works out if you want to scalp for 4 ticks. But that's pretty much it. And then you have another first entry, second entry long, but you're right to the swing high. So, and you already have a rejection once, twice, and 3 times getting to the end of the day anyways. So I got to be careful with that. Anyways, that's pretty much how I saw it for today. We'll see how the news affects the markets. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next time.